Okay, what else did I use? After that, I brought in my social media icon. Like I already told you where you get it. It's the same process. You just come here, go to gallery and search for it wherever you save it. Okay, so that is the icon. So I position it where it is right now. So you can position yours anywhere. Same thing with this icon here. And this icon didn't come like this, it came like this, the way it's showing here. So when I clicked on it, I went to crop. So when I cropped it this way, I now had to crop just the part I wanted, or the part I wanted to use. Okay, so you could either use any of the icons there, but for me, this is the particular icon I want to use. All right, so I positioned it there as well, and then came also to the Facebook icon. Same thing, same process. You position it the way you want it, and then the only one. Okay, so that's basically it. Which other one do we add now? Okay. Now come to this particular one, which is this one here. This particular one here. You come to the Bezier tool. When you come here, you see the Bezier tool. Now if you want to create it from scratch, you just come here, click on Bezier tool, and then you increase the font to about the font I used here is 7, so which is the stroke 7. Then I used this one, so I increased the scale to about decreased it to about say 20. Okay, 20. That's what gave me this one. So I positioned it properly and I got what I wanted. So after getting the first one, I copied and I got this extra 3 that you can see there very clear. Okay, this extra 3, got it. So I have to position it in a way it looks as though it's a stamping on his foot. Okay, so take it back to 100. What else now? Yeah, what else now? Come to text. So the first text I used is this. Okay, so when you want to type text, you come here, you see text, right? Okay, you see text, so you click on text and then you type August. Okay, increase it from here, increase it. Now you can't leave it like this. You come here and change the color to white. Right now also it's not looking fine this way as well, so we're going to be changing the font. Now when you download the Pixellab, it's also important that you get some fonts, but I'm going to be giving you some resources to get fonts. I have some fonts, especially this one I'm going to be using. I downloaded it, so I'm going to be using the Bebas Noir Regular. Okay, so when you click on it, you click OK, you see exactly the same thing. Then you increase the size. Now yours doesn't have to be this way, but this is where I want to put mine. Okay, yeah. But you have to make a replicate design like this before you create your own. Okay, so I'm gonna decrease it and make it fit. Yes, make it fit like this. Okay, see exactly the same thing. Now when I was through with this one, I'm gonna delete that one. When I was through with this one, I sent to the back, like I told you, from that particular cloud you sent to the back, so it went behind the other items there. So I lock it. Then this particular one here, I copy, because same font I used for everything, so I copy it here and it gave me this exact one, and that is the one you're seeing here. Let me just copy this one. See the same thing. Now to get this exact stuff, okay, let me click get this one. To get exactly what I just deleted just now, you come to color. When you come to color, you come here and you take to the you move this icon here, this particular one here, it here, this one, you move it to the extreme left and click. Now when you notice you won't see anything on the surface, that's because it didn't come with an outline. So you click OK and come to stroke. You find stroke under the working tools here, and then you enable it. You can see it's black, so you change the color to white and decrease the size, say 3. Yes, fair enough, 3. Now when I had this 3, I click to back as well. I click to back, and when it was behind like that, I adjusted it to fit in just the way you see it here. You know, there's another one there, that's why it's double, but if I remove that one, you see exactly what I'm doing. See, makes sense more. Okay, all right, so I'm gonna be hiding that. What else did I do? So I copied this same thing, this same outline, to type the code Rabaa. You see here the same thing, so you don't have to go over the process again. You just copy and change the text. Now when you copy and you want to change the text, this is how it looks. You copy like this, you want to change the text, double click, and you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. Now that's for the code Rabaa, and as well as I also copy the code and I got Rabaa and I positioned it where it's supposed to be. That cloud is not supposed to be there. Code Rabaa, that cloud is not supposed to be there. Okay, so let me quickly adjust it. Whose cloud is this? Nope. Okay, I think it's a little mess up somewhere, and I'm gonna fix it. Okay, but you get what I'm doing, right? Sure you do. So this code is supposed to be on top. All right, this is exactly how it looks on the flyer. Okay, yes, you got it now. You got it. This is exactly how it looks on the first icon I showed. Okay, all right, 18 minutes done. Okay, so I after all of this, I brought in another text to write welcome to August. So you lock it, and this is the welcome to August. So I came here, took a text, type welcome to, I already have August, so they don't need to add August. So I came here, changing color to white, and then the font, I use a normal regular font that came with the Pixel Lab, which is Algerian's regular. Okay, now I made it very small, and then you could use any size, make it up to, let me see the size I used for this particular one here. Let me see the size, so 17. So I'm gonna reducing this one to 17. Okay, and then the line spacing, let's see the line spacing for this particular one. Nope, line spacing 67. So I come here and I put the line spacing 67. Yeah, so brought it here, and boom, we got this, right? Easy, right? And simple. Okay, so what else have we not added here? I think that's basically it, and you get your design up and running. Pizza, easy, right? Yeah, I know it's easier. For some of you, it looks like the world has ended. Okay, but don't worry, you would get it. Okay, you would get it. So it's easy. It's very easy. Now all of these things we're going to be talking looking at is easy. Now when you finish, you click here and then you save. Now while you're working, if you want to save the project, you can save it so that you don't lose your work. Just use any name. For me, I used youth to save it, so whenever I use youth like this, it just pops up and it's saved. Now after I finish all my work and designs and I want to save it to my file, I click here and it shows here, and then I come to Ultra. Ensure you are using Ultra to save it, so you click on Ultra and then you save. I'm not saving it because I already saved the project. Okay, so this is basically all you need to know about this design. So I'm gonna be waiting for your own design.